can you make a FIFA game or you can't do that? So this was a comment in my previous video from a subscriber and he wanted or kind of challenged me to make a video game like FIFA 21. And if you know that FIFA is a very popular football game made by EA, the Electronic Arts, and I love to make games based on India. So I made Desi FIFA, which you can play on both your phone or PC. Wanna know how? Then watch the video till end. And if you don't know me, I am a 21-year-old Indian boy who try to make video games and their develop process on this channel. And if you like it, then please subscribe. Also, I made this game only in 7 days, so lower your expectations and let's start the video. To make this game, firstly I was needed some model, a stadium and a football. So I quickly opened a Blender and after some hours of slapping my mouse and keyboard, I came up with this. A stadium and a football, which is not even looking like a football. Then it was the time to open up Unity, so I did. So after 10 minutes,
346 minutes later,
I imported the models which I made in Blender into Unity. And I applied some post-processing in the beginning of the project to make the project look more beautiful. So first thing first, which I did was to apply a rigid body and a sphere collider 3D on the football and made a bouncy physics material and slap it on the ball, but it was still falling like a feather. So I changed the default gravity value, which is -9.8 to -20, and increased the mass of the ball a little bit, hence the ball was ready with the bouncy effect. So I moved towards to make the kicking mechanism of the football. For that I added a pointer near the goal and made a script with the name of football movement to move the pointer with the mouse cursor, and wherever you will click, the football will be kicked and thrown at that point, and hence my simple football movement was ready. And now I created a cuboid as a goalkeeper and put it in front of the goal net and changed its name to goalkeeper and started to write a script for it, which is basically done by casting a sphere around the goalkeeper and checking the ball is inside the sphere or not. If it is inside the radius of the goalkeeper, then the goalkeeper will catch it, and if it is not in the radius, it will not catch it. For the goal system, I created a cube inside the goal and disable its mesh renderer and give it a tag of goal and created a script so that whenever the ball will collide with a goal tagged box, the score will be increased. But I haven't yet created a score showing text, so I quickly created a text on the stadium scoreboard and used a value to update it each time whenever the ball will collide with the goalpost net, and made some party winning particle effects by using Unity's particle system and made them fall whenever the goal is hitted. After doing all of these, the game was still missing something. So I downloaded some free usable sounds for my game, such as cheering on the goal, and some of the sounds I recorded by myself and played those sounds whenever the ball will collide with them. And now it was the time to work on some UI. So I made a game over screen. Whenever the ball will miss the goal, that game over menu will pop up and ask you to replay the game, but still the score in the game was not saving yet. So I used the all-time favorite player preferences, which easily used to save the score in the system, and whenever you will restart the game, the score will be still saved. So after that I continued making the UI, hence I made a main menu with some essential buttons and applied some animation to it. And also I created some sound for the button press and applied it on the UI. And after making all of this, I looked at the football model, which was reminding me of zebra. So I again opened a Blender and modeled some footballs, such as a brown ball, this ball and an egg, which will have a special ability. Now I have created a variety of footballs, so I have to make some kind of SOP system for the selection of them. So I copied my SOP system which I have already created for the race game and slapped that on this football game. Now we have a brand new SOP system in our game, where you can buy different footballs, and in each of the ball you will have a special ability. except this ball, the free one. After creating all of these, the game was still incomplete because of the goalkeeper and the player, which were only a red and white cuboid. So I downloaded a free model of human base and converted it into a player and a goalkeeper, and give the goalkeeper some white gloves and a helmet. And then I imported them into Unity, and now I was having the real players, but without any animations on them. They were not looking good. So I go to Maximo.com and downloaded some animations for the player and the goalkeeper, and now they are looking so good. With this, my PC version of the game was ready, so I exported and built it. Now it was the time to make this game for Android phones too. So I converted the whole project into Android. And after changing some scripts, now you can drag your finger on the screen to move that pointer, and also I added a button by which you can kick the ball at the location of the pointer. So the game was finally converted to Android. But I thought to add some ads in the game, but not the annoying ones, such as only if you wish then the button will be shown. So I added some rewarded video ads in the game, which can be seen in the main menu or on the game over screen. And if you want to play this game, then both the PC and Android download links are in the description. You can go and check out. And please like the video if you liked it, and if you want more videos like this, then please subscribe, and I am always open for your awesome reviews in the comment section. Thank you so much. Goodbye.